Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Laura Wilkie with Down Home with Lemon Pie, and this is Baby Week, and this video is all about what we purchased in our shopping video that was shown earlier this week. Alright guys, welcome back. If you're brand new to my channel, you are in the middle of Baby Week. This is actually the last video for this whole week. Every day this week I've been releasing a new video related to all things baby. We're a Christian homeschool family. We have a little farm, and this is baby number 7 in our home. So I have been doing a video every single day this week sharing with you guys. First day we went shopping, and then I shared with you some of our purchase regrets over the years, some of our favorite items, some of the things we just do not purchase at all for baby. And today is the things that we purchased on our first day that we went shopping. So if you missed any of those videos, you may want to go back and check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe. All right guys, so I am so excited to share with you some of the things, or all of the things that I purchased when I went shopping, kind of on a just me and you guys, and just a little shopping spree for this new little baby to help welcome her. She's coming around Thanksgiving, we think, and we are getting so close. So some of the items are from the stores that I went to and I showed you guys, and then some items I had to go online actually and purchase, and then I actually want to share with you a couple items also that I picked up at another store. So I will show you guys all of these things. But first off, if you watched that shopping video, you know that we went and we looked at so many blankets for baby. I love finding like the blanket for each of my babies before they are born. They still all have the one blanket that I picked out for them, and the problem with this time was I liked all of the blankets. So I had a really hard time deciding. The one that I ended up selecting, it was, I don't even remember which store it was at, and actually I don't even see the tag for how much I paid. Oh, there it is, $7.99. All of the blankets were such a great deal. But this is the one that I picked out. I love the florals. I talked about that in that video several times. It's just a wonderful soft blanket. This one is not the Sherpa. I did get another one that's Sherpa that I ordered online, but this one is just that nice, soft, kind of durable fabric that holds up forever, but is super soft for our little winter baby who's coming. And I just love this pattern. Don't you guys love this? It's so beautiful. So that's the one we went with. I did get a second blanket. You guys saw me oohing and awing the one blanket that was at Tuesday morning. It was a little more expensive. It was $12.99, but it is so precious, and it's lightweight, which will be perfect for spring, summer as we come around. And I just really, really love the print. This is it right here. And I love the ABCs. I love the classic feel, just that old timey. It's got little floral stuff on all the letters. I just love it so much. It's so traditional and not something that's going to go out of style. So when she is 5 or 6, this will still be a perfect blanket for her because it's not something that's just real trendy. I try not to do all the trends. I actually did all the trends with my first couple babies, and I've learned my lesson. Okay, I did pick up, when I went to Ross, I showed you Ross had all those great deals. These were $5.99. So I did pick up these, the set of the little, they call them receiving blankets. We use them for everything, but they're so handy to keep like in your diaper bag. You throw 1 or 2 in there. You use them when you need to throw down a blanket for to change the baby, or you need to throw down something for like an extra burp rag or something like that. Clean a mess, whatever. So these are the flannel blankets, and I liked this set in particular because it has the woodland animals, and I love the woodland animals so much. So that is what I went with, the little woodlands. So pretty. Okay, at the $4.99 price, I could not resist. We did not need one of these, but I could not resist it. $4.99, a super, super cuddly, soft little swaddle sack for baby. I got this at Ross, and I think I really wanted to get this because she's going to be born in winter, and we are thinking there may be a we live in Texas, but we are thinking we may be planning a winter mountain trip. So I wanted her to have all the things that would keep her nice and cozy and warm. So I got this. It is crazy soft. And then the inside is that Sherpa to keep her extra warm. But I am hoping that this is just going to be so perfect. And that pattern again with the beautiful florals. How do you resist that? And for $4.99, I couldn't resist. When I was shopping, I saw so many outfits, and I did pick up just a couple outfits on that shopping trip. I've been picking outfits up kind of all along the way. So this particular shopping trip that I went on, I only picked up a couple. The first one I picked up was this. I just couldn't resist that sweet little saying, "This little girl is heaven sent." Isn't that adorable? And again, of course, the florals, kind of the darker colors for winter. And I know that they're short sleeve, but we live in Texas and we really don't get really cold winters. So she will need just a couple things that are kind of lightweight and cooler, because we have those random days in the middle of December and January that are actually warm. All right, I also picked up these sleepers. You guys saw me oohing and awing them at TJ Maxx. Particularly love those little wooden buttons. I can't tell if they're actual wood. I think they are. Anyway, they are so cute, and I love this kind of stuff for little bitty babies. When they are little bitty, this is the most practical kind of stuff to put them in. Just the little sleepers. They don't really need all the things. They don't need fancy dresses and all those outfits that have like the zippers with the hoodies and all that. I don't like those because the zippers get all shoved up in here. And anyway, I like to stick with just simple, nice, classic little sleepers, and that is perfect for day and night. All right, I did grab from TJ Maxx also this little teether. I talk a lot about toys this week and how we don't usually buy toys. This I don't consider a toy because it's a teether, but let me show you. It says blessed. You may have seen it in the video. It's silicone. It was $5.99, so I'm excited about this. And what I really like is that it has enough space here that if I wanted to put it on one of those like where they have the beads and they can clip onto something, I can do that so we don't actually lose it, hopefully. We'll see. Anyway, picked up that. I did pick up a set of Soothers, the little pacifiers. How cute are the bows, right? I love them. I love them so much. You can tell we're excited about this little girl. Okay, and to go along with those, I did get this. I'm going to take it out of the package so I can show you. I had to go online to get the Pacifier Pal that I was looking for. They didn't have them at any of the stores. So since I got to go online and get one, I got to pick whatever animal I wanted. I didn't have to settle for whatever they had available. So I picked, because we have a farm, I picked a sweet little cow. And you can see it's got the little pacifier that comes with it, but it is also Velcro, so that little thing can come right off and I can change it out to one of my little pink ones. Or if I need to wash this guy because he's white, may have to wash him. Anyway, I love these so much because when they're pacifiers, they lose them, they come out of their mouth, and as they're moving their arms and they don't even know what they're doing, they'll accidentally push it back in. And so that is why I like the Pacifier Pal so much. Also, this little thing, just this, is easy to lose, but when it's attached to this, it's much easier to find. So got that. Also, you saw me looking at Swaddle Blankets. I was having a hard time because they were all so beautiful, but they were not the material I was hoping for. With my twins, I bought a 2-pack on Amazon, and they were muslin and bamboo blend, and they are seriously the softest swaddle blankets I have ever experienced. So I'm gonna link them below in case you guys are interested. But I did get another set because that set was like a feather set, and then one was gray, which I felt like looked more boyish, and the other was white with some pink and blue, which looked very girly, which was perfect when we had girl boy twins. But this is just one little girl, and I wanted to get something different so she could tell it apart from her brother and sister. And so I picked up these. They came in a 2-pack. And I picked up these 2 colors, the pink and purple. They came together, like I said, and they are so much softer than the regular just muslin. I cannot wait. I have been wanting to get this video out to you guys because I wanted to show them to you guys like they came. But I cannot wait to take them out of their packaging and get them washed up and prepared for baby. Because after that first or second wash, they are even softer. So I'm excited about that. But these are the Swaddle Blankets. And again, they're the really, really big ones. The 47 by 47. You can see right here, they say bamboo and cotton. And they're the Muslin Swaddle. So I'm excited I found some. They are a little pricier, but they are so worth it. My twins are 3.5. They still use theirs. So. All right, guys, I did get some extra big burp rags. Burp rags are never big enough. I don't know what the deal is, but they are never ever big enough. And so I picked up a whole set of nice big ones, and these are, I'll link them. See, I have a whole stack here of them. I liked that they were very plain. I liked that a lot, actually. That was what I was going for. And there's 2 of each color. I don't know if you can tell. There's 2 of each color. I liked that they didn't have a lot of stuff on them. They were just really simple and plain, but look how much bigger they are. Like, look how this fits on my shoulder. It's so big. It's so big. So these are the kind I like. I love them even more. A lot of people like the pre-folds, the Gerber pre-folds, and I don't know. I've used those in the past. I used them with my first baby, and I did not find them that great. Plus, they weren't cute. These ones are cute, and they're simple. So that's what I'm excited about. I got a whole set of those. Let's see, there's 2 of each, so 8 of them. I'm excited for those. Okay, and then I went over to Walmart. I love shopping at Walmart. I always find great deals there. I'm not a huge Target fan. I don't like their agenda. I don't like some of the things that they are promoting and marketing. I don't like most of their clothes, except for the little prairie stuff that they have going on right now. I do like that. But most of their clothes, like the skinny jeans for the boys and all the stuff with the agenda for girls and boys, I just don't like all that. So we shop primarily at Walmart, and I am telling you guys, growing up, Walmart wasn't really a thing that you would go to. Like, that was not a favored place to go. That was not a desirable place to go. And they have changed, I guess, but because I find great things there all the time that are so cute. So this is one thing I picked up. The little, it is a 42 by 42 wrap and headband. You can see it on the little baby there. And isn't this pattern beautiful? I love it. I love it so much. I don't remember what I paid for this, but I am excited that I can just wrap her up, have a bow to match her little blanket. I'm excited for that. Okay, the next one I got, I told you guys we're planning like this mountain snow trip, and I wanted her to have warm stuff, so I picked up this one. This was also at Walmart. The soft knit snuggle set. Look at that. Look at that. And it's the cable knit. Isn't it cute? And you can just plop the little baby in there. Just another way to add a little extra warmth. And it has a little, do you hear it? A little rattle that goes with it. We will probably never play with that, but it is cute. But anyway, I thought that was so sweet. I love cable knit. I love cable knit. So, okay, this last one is just kind of a fun mommy and me. This is the last thing I picked up. I got this again at Walmart, and I think that I'm going to love it, especially like right after she's born, those first few weeks, even after that. But I think my favorite time is going to be those first few weeks. I picked up this, and it is the robe for mom and the blanket for baby that match. It's like a mommy and me set. Being baby number 7, I do not want her to ever feel like she missed out on something. So I am loving that we can still have our little matching outfit together right from the start. Anyway, so I picked this up. It was a little more expensive. I don't think it says on here. No, I want to say it was $25 or maybe $29, something like that. But I think it's totally worth it. Like I said, I don't want her to ever feel like she is just number 7. She's just as important as number 1 and 2 and everybody else. All right, guys, I have had a fantastic time sharing with you guys this week for Baby Week. I am so excited to welcome little baby Emma Beatrix. If you missed that video, you can go back and see where we came up with the name. Back a few videos, but I am so excited, guys. I will link the things that I can link in the description below if you're interested in purchasing any of those for your own family as well. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I am going to continue adding videos to our collection as we go through life and our journey and our homeschool and just all the things, so stay tuned. I'll see you guys next time.